Hey guys, right, this footage, as you can see, 13th of the 3rd, 2022, this was last night. I've been catching this for a couple of years, this object here. There's 10 minutes of raw footage here. I'm just going to let it play. Just like I say, the footage that I took from the TV screen was nowhere near as good. See, is it an insect? I don't think it's an insect. It's got form and symmetry and it can move on its axis. It doesn't show it in this video, but I've seen it before turn vertical as well as horizontal. To me, I see, when I get a real clear-cut shot of it, a circle in the middle and either 4 or 5 dots either side of it. You see how it reacted with the shine from the infrared then, as it gets closer? And I've been catching this all the time I've had these cameras up. But this is the clearest and longest it's ever been there. That I've noticed anyway. We have the new 5G Internet of Thing street lights. Looking at this picture, you see the white van on the left over the road. If you just look to the front end of the van, you can just make out a lamppost. That's one of them new lampposts just there. But I don't know what this is. I've seen all sorts of light anomalies watching cameras from all over the world for over a decade, and I've never seen anything remotely even like this. My first thought was spider webs, but I've gone out time after time and gone and wafted stuff in front of the cameras. In fact, I do it in this video for you that haven't seen the first one, just to prove that there's nothing in front of the camera. But the weird thing is with this, when I got to the door and opened the front door, whatever this was shot off. And thank you guys for the comments on Facebook and YouTube. Yeah, it's puzzling. Lots of great ideas and thoughts, but same as me, no one's quite certain. I've not seen anything like it. And it seems at times bugs chase it like they can see it. I mean, I've gone out before and tried to see it with my naked eye, and there's just no hope. But you see the bugs, here you go. Flew straight towards it, and there's another one in a minute that comes up from near the van door handle, flies straight up towards it. And this is Gainsborough, North Lincolnshire, England, 13th of March 22. Seems to disappear when it goes in the hedge in the bottom left of the screen, but it doesn't actually disappear, it just gets blinded out by the bright light of the reflection from the leaves. It's still there. There's some really clear-cut shots where you can make out the separate pieces of it, or what look to be separate pieces. It reminds me of a laser. I don't know what it is, but we've been getting crazy high EMF, electric and magnetic fields. I've been in contact with environmental health, my MPs, borough council and local council. Nobody will come check this stuff out. I don't know if it's connected to it or whether it's just something can be explained in nature, I'm not sure. That's why I put it up for you guys to try and help me out. But I've never ever, in over 10 years of watching cameras for my other sky anomaly work, I've never seen anything like this. And Dazza the cameraman. Yes, mate. I saw your comment on, I think it was Facebook. Can you explain it, bud? Because I'm jiggered if I can. And I never ever, mate, Mr. Dazza the cameraman. I was never a fraud. I was telling people what I thought and truly believed. Always have done. Never lied about anything, mate. Look at that. What is it? See how it reacts to the light as it gets closer. I've messaged Richard Hall. I'm going to try and get in contact with Barry Trower again because, like I say, all the MPs and stuff with all this EMF, they just don't, well, they're paid to not say anything, are they? I think I come out at about 2:22:10. See me wave the rod around, but literally before you see me with the rod, I open the front door. You can hear it on the first footage from the video this morning. You hear me open the door, and as I open the door, you see it shoot off. At the very beginning, it came in from the top of the screen as well, just in case nobody noticed. It came from the top. And you know, the funny thing, yeah, this whole segment, you have to excuse, that's my little fat dog grunting away. Hey, alright there. Yeah, what's I saying then? Yeah, this whole segment on my cameras are motion detectors, and normally a fly flying past will set it off, but in the whole time this was visible on the screen, my motion detectors did not detect a single thing, which is extremely odd. Not a thing in the whole period that this was on the screen. The either side of the footage, the motion detectors going off every few seconds. I come out in a second, you'll see me in the bottom right hand corner. It's going to vanish in a second. Go. See me come with a rod. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Please feel free to hit me up on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Let me know what you think, guys. God bless. You all take care. Smith the Mister out.